have this ramen, and fish, and we have this kind of burger. This bun. Shoot. Ayan, si Ma'am Joyce. Nag-ano lang ako para may sa susunod meron tayong mga guests. Ayan eh. How I know? This up?